Do you like my ears? I love my ears. They're really cute. Okay, so I got 28 views on my last one.
I want to see.
Which I liked. That's Boogie. And AJ is sitting over here. So you can see him. I think they're pretty cute. They're nice and long. Shout out to my man April, Jenny, Morgan, Lil DJ, aka D-Love, Samantha, Aunt Tammy, Tiffany, Aunt Tracy. Shout out to my girl Camille back there, Casey. Say hello.
Say hi.
I want to give a shout out to Carlos and Raven. She got the ears on her now. Carlos and Raven. And
say hi.
I want to give a shout out to Grandma, Grandma Doris. Who else am I missing? The Oakleys, Ryan, Gina, my mother, Stephanie Harris, Something Useful Inc. That's what's up. Who else?
Don't turn your head. They're gonna look at it.
Who else?
Lil
Marlon and Vincent and everybody else, the whole Harris family. This is my second vlog, and I want you to comment.
Do you think so?
See ya.